sometimes for the follower, in that moment that your feet will be together, the leader will make you change weight. But it's a lead, it's something that the leader is telling you. Maybe the leader makes you change weight. And then this one will move. So let's keep in mind that for the leader, how do I make my partner change weight? I have my weight on my leg. I want to pass my weight to my right, but also to make my partner change her weight. You can observe that I am doing this circular movement. This is a way that I make my partner change weight. So I can change weight and make my partner change weight, or I can change weight and not make my partner change weight. So these are ideas that you always have to use in your dance. Let's practice the change of weight. For the leader, forward, feet together, change weight and make your partner change weight. Again with your left, forward, feet together, change weight and make your partner change weight. Again, and for the follower, your partner is making you change weight. This foot is free of weight, but now he makes you change weight. This foot is free of weight, but now your partner makes you change weight. This foot is free of weight, but now your partner makes you change weight. One more time for the leader. Left, change weight, and make your partner change weight. Again for the follower, change weight. Change weight. Change weight.
What I liked was when I saw Marcelo lead the change of weight, I couldn't help doing it together with him, even though I saw him from the back. To me, it looks very clear when he leads that. So I want you to, when you follow this by yourself, imagine this very clear lead. You step together, this leg is free, but you feel that weight change. This leg is free, but you feel that the leader gives you that change.